Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students at Mancimahi, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Alhamdulillah, I'm great. There is blessing in disguise. Artinya ada hikmah di balik musibah, kita bisa sebut itu ya, during this pandemic. Because I believe everyone has a chance to know themselves better because they spend a lot of time by themselves, banyak waktu untuk mengeksplor diri sendiri, and hopefully you can spend your time with your family, communicate better with them, cerita dan lain-lain ya, dan itu menyenangkan. Okay, so because some students are asking, and I'm thinking about to give that as well, exam content, kisi-kisi untuk LMBSI besok. I want you to get the LKS, grab the LKS, and you can see the table of contents and other materials because there are 5 chapters, 5 bab selama semester ini. The questions are going to have those parts. Semuanya akan ada. Presentasinya, yang bab 1 dan bab 2 paling sedikit. Because we have done that at school. We have some daily tasks. Kita udah ngerjain ulangannya. So there will be phoning, the materials, brochure or advertisement, pamphlet, banner, and leaflet. But mostly it's about understanding. Lebih ke pemahaman aja, comprehension. And then for example and such as hortatory exposition text, song and lyrics. Well, the last 2 parts, hortatory exposition text and song lyrics, we haven't had chance to explain that, unfortunately. Waktu itu kan sempat ada tugas hanya di LKS saja untuk reading. Sementara kalian belajar dari TVRA program. Jadi, sedikit menjelaskan aja hortatory exposition text. So, it's a text to persuade the readers or audience to give them arguments, what things that they or we should do and shouldn't do in a case. Misalnya kayak, should student wear uniform to school? Haruskah siswa pakai seragam ke sekolah? Nah, jadi something that is debatable karena biasanya itu dipakai untuk membuat konten debat. Jadi kalau kalian ikut kompetisi debat, baik itu bahasa Indonesia, bahasa Inggris, dan bahasa lainnya, hortatory exposition text is the structure of the context. So that's the social function. However, you have to know about what's that? The generic structure. So what's the first paragraph comes, the second paragraph, or the third paragraph if there are only 3 paragraphs in one text. But somehow there are some texts that only probably 2 paragraphs or maybe more than 3, 4 or 5. So we can see, like if it's thesis, it's about it's about general statement and arguments, reasoning, alasan yang logis, termasuk juga data dan fakta, and recommendations, atau rekomendasinya tuh seperti kesimpulan. We stated, kita menyatakan setuju atau tidak, perlu atau tidak, atau saran kita tuh apa sebenarnya. So that's kind of hortatory exposition. Soalnya yang hortatory exposition banyak yang reading. Jadi pemahaman, comprehension, reading comprehension. Bisa dilatih coba baca kosakata dan latihan teks di LKS. Teksnya sih mudah ya, yang saya pilih yang cukup mudah karena ya online juga gitu teksnya. And the last one that we haven't had a chance to discuss is song. I can tell that song questions will be about comprehension as well, pemahaman juga, but there is another figurative language, sama kayak puisi semester lalu. So you can check LKS page 50 yang halaman 50, ada figurative language. So learn about it, baca itu dan cari contohnya yang lain, termasuk yang di sini juga yang di LKS. Apa bedanya simile, personification, hyperbole, symbolism, and idiom. I will give like maybe a lyric, not maybe, definitely it's made, udah dibuat the lyrics, and I will point out or sign, diberi tanda kalimat mana yang akan ditanyakan dalam lirik tersebut, dan itu figurative language-nya apa, majasnya apa, something like that. And some other easy songs dan lagu lainnya, tapi lebih ke makna dan kosakata. I know that's not easy, but it's learning process. Ya, tes ini tuh belajar juga gitu, jadi that's okay. So that's hortatory, expression text, and song. Now back to the first three, yang 3 pertama kita sudah bahas di kelas. So phoning, pertanyaannya, the question will be about responding. Baca isi atau tentang bagaimana expressions of or giving or answering the phone, how to cancel the phone, how to accept, sending around the message and stuff, yang itu ya. The second one, advertisement. It's again same like others, is understanding the text. Jadi nanti akan ada contoh iklan yang mungkin kalau nggak salah pernah kita pakai juga di kelas beberapa teksnya. Jadi kosakatanya familiar ya, sudah akrab, nggak terlalu asing. And for example, and such as punctuation, tanda baca jangan lupa. Jadi perhatikan grammarnya, susunan katanya. Apa bedanya for example and such as? Okay? So read some other summary, rangkuman sedikit di LKS, karena itu aja gambaran untuk soal LMBSI selama pandemi ini. And please comment down below during this pandemic or during your holiday. I think it's better to keep studying. If you want me to make another lesson, pelajaran lain dalam bahasa Inggris maksudnya, atau materi lain, I'm thinking to make one. Saya ingin juga buat yang mungkin bisa lebih bermanfaat. So, what do you think? What do you want to study? What do you want to learn? Please explore yourself, keep studying, keep being curious dalam hal yang positif. Jadi selalu gali potensi, meskipun mungkin nanti ada perubahan cara belajar atau ya the new transition, karena memang itu proses belajar kita juga kan, gak cuma guru yang adaptasi, siswa juga, orang tua juga, semuanya selama pandemi ini adaptasi. Nah, itu proses belajar di mana aja. It's real lesson. Okay, I hope you can take this as a like clear clue for tomorrow and read some of them on LKS. Sayang LKS-nya juga kan kalau nggak dipelajari. Yeah, good luck for tomorrow. Inshallah you are going to do great. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.